Just recently, TikTok updated their Ads Manager platform and quite a lot changed, which I will be responding to in subsequent videos after this. So you've got to subscribe to this channel in order not to miss out, okay? But for those one, I'm going to be walking you through on how to still access your Ads Manager dashboard when you log into TikTok Ads Manager, okay? So if you're facing an issue like this, if you try logging in and you faced an issue like this, you can access your account. This video is going to guide you as to how to find your Ads Manager dashboard so you can create your campaign or monitor your ad, okay? So what you will do simply is to open another tab and then here type business.tiktok.com. Let it load. That's after you've signed in, right? Once you've signed in and you met this situation, right? Just go to business.tiktok.com. Once it loads, you'll see the interface like this. Simply go to the red button that says go to Business Center. Click on it. So it brings you here, right? Now you can see your business center, right? These are the two business centers we have here. So if I want to access the Ads Manager under this, I'll click here. And then it brings us here. Let me close down this. Now come to the left side here where it says Accounts. Click on Accounts. And then you can see the Ads Manager here. Click on the Ads Manager. And then you can click here to access the Ads Manager. Let me click on it. But let me return here. Now, in case here is not active in your own case, simply come here where it says New Member. Click on it. And then select and tick this one, Admin, right? Then come down here and confirm. Okay? So you can hit confirm. And then it will request for a code. Once you get the code on your email, you can input it here. And then you'll be able to activate the Ads Manager on your business center, okay? So here our own is already active. So I'll just click here and automatically it brings us to our Ads Manager dashboard, all right? So that's what to do. The other way to go about it is if you want to log in, instead of going to ads.tiktok.com, simply go to business.tiktok.com, okay? And that will bring you directly to this place. Then click on Go to Business Center. And then when it opens, you can now click on the Business Center where you have your ad account. So like this one again, I'm doing it the second time. So from here, you go to Accounts by the left side. So you click on Accounts. And then you see the Ads Manager. Click on the Ads Manager. And then click here to access your Ads Manager dashboard, right? Like I said, there have been some new updates on the Ads Manager platform that will affect everything you know about running ad on the Ads Manager platform, right? So I'll be responding to those updates in subsequent videos. So do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of those updates. And if you are yet to join our TikTok Ads Made Easy class, this is the right time to do so. Click the first link in the description of this video if you are seeing this video on YouTube to join the class right now. If you are seeing this video on TikTok, click the link on my profile to join the class. See you in the next updates.